Hello friends, welcome to part 47 of Laravel 13 series in which we're creating the AI powered e-commerce website. So in this part, we are going to work on the AI powered natural language search once again, and we are going to build the smart AI product search in this part. In the last part, we have seen that we able to build the search foundation, and now we are going to build the smart AI product search. Here you can see that we able to search the basic things like the iPhone. Like if we will search for the iPhone, then the iPhone mobiles will come. If we will search for the Samsung, then Samsung mobile will come. Here you can see we have searched for the iPhone, that iPhone 15 has come. Okay. So we have already done the basic search that is required. Okay. So now we are going to work on the AI powered search. So we want like the customer if want to search naturally like Samsung mobile under 80,000, iPhone under 80,000 or mobiles under 80,000. So at that time we must search that. Okay. So right now it does not work. Like I am going to search for this one, some Samsung mobile under 80,000, it will not show any results. See, no result found. Okay, so we need to make it possible. Like if even if I will search something like mobile under 80,000, again it will show no result. See, no results found. Okay, so we are required to make this thing possible, and this is possible with the help of the AI. Okay, so we are going to call that OpenAI once again that we have created a few videos back. We have generated the API from that. Okay, we have generated the API key from that, and we have added some credits into that. Okay, so now we are going to use those credits for the AI search as well. Okay, so now, first of all, we are going to add this is natural language search function in the AI service.php file. This is the same file in which we have earlier created the generate product content function, and we have also added the category based function. I'm going to show you. Going to align it as well so that we can able to close it. See, we have earlier created this product function, and we have also created the generate category content function. Okay, so we are getting the product details and the category details with the help of the AI. So now we are going to create the another function for taking help for the search. Okay, see, we have done these two things, generate product description and generate category description with the help of AI. And now we are going to add is natural language search. Okay, so another function to detect AI search query. So this function I am going to add here in this file in the AI search file. Okay, first I'm going to add this one like this. So what is happening in this function? It is very simple. Like the search that the user is finding is natural language search or the simple search. If the user uses these kind of patterns in the search, like show me, find, looking for, under, like see now under has come, like the similar thing, mobile under 80,000. So we will pick this under. Okay, so this is the AI powered search. Okay, so we are required to integrate the we are required to call the AI power search at this time because the user use the under. Okay, so in the same way, if the user use the above, like if the user will ask mobile above, he wants to purchase high level mobile above 80,000, he will write like this: mobile above 80,000, show me the mobile above 80,000. So at that time again we are going to see above. So if any of the pattern exists, then we are going to return true. Okay, so if any of the pattern exists in this search, then we are going to return true, otherwise false. And if we will return true, then it means that we are going to execute the AI powered search. Otherwise we are going to execute the simple normal search. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So the next function that we require to execute, that is the exact extract search filter. So this is the another function that we are going to add. So let's add first of all this function also we are required to add in the AI service.php file. This function also we are going to add after this function. uh, So we are going to align it as well. What I'm going to do, I am going to just align it so that we can able to close it as well. Okay, like this. So here, yeah, okay. So here you can see this is the another function in which we are going to call the OpenAI. Based on the OpenAI, we are going to get the results. Okay, so we will tell the see here in this function we are going to add the prompt like we have added the prompt in the other two function as well. In those cases, we are having the prompt from the admin panel, but now we are going to add the fixed prompt. But because for the search the prompt will remain the fix because we want here to actually our goal is to search the products. Okay, so the prompt will remain the same. So this is the prompt that we will tell to the AI to behave in such a manner like you are an AI shopping assistant. Your task is to understand the customer search query and convert it to structures JSON. Okay, so these are the rules that we are going to tell to AI that like deduct the product category, deduct the brand if available, deduct minimum and maximum price. So all these rules we are going to tell to AI that to behave in such a manner. And we will also give the examples to him, like show me Samsung phones under 80,000. So the output must be something like this. Okay. So these are just the examples that we are going to explain to the AI so that he needs to behave in such a way. So see, it will not only give the result for this one, it will give result for all the phones or whatever it is, Samsung, whatever it is, iPhone, whatever it is, any third party phone. Means it is going to return the similar thing. Okay, so this is the prompt that we are going to add, and the other things also that we are going to add. We are going to see rest of the things we are going to pick from the admin panel, like model, system prompt, query, temperature, max token. That we are going to pick from the admin panel from the advanced AI setting. But only the prompt we will keep it here. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. And so let's see after that what we are going to do. We are going to add here, we are going to update the search controller. Okay, we are going to update the index function in the search controller. Let's open the search controller in which we are going to call. See, earlier we are just calling one function, search product function. Now we are going to call the AI powered search as well. Okay, so we are going to modify this function. If the customer performs an AI search, we first extract the filters, then pass those filters to our product service. If no products are found, then application automatically fall back to the traditional keyword search. Okay, so first of all we are going to search for the we are going to search in the AI powered search. Okay, so like I was saying in the last part that we are going to execute first the website search. No, we are going to execute first the AI power search. And see, AI power search will definitely work. It will not work if some issue has come up in the credits, like the credits are over for the website, the credits are over, or some other issue like OpenAI is not working, server is down, OpenAI server is down, then the fallback search will come. Okay, so we are going to modify the index function with this one. We are going to modify here the product search index function. Okay, so in which we are clearly executing the AI search. Okay, so see here the search products using filters and extract search filters that we have just written at the AI service. Okay, that will have the prompt. Okay, so now we are going to create the another function, search products using filters in product service. This method receives the filter generated by OpenAI and build a dynamic Eloquent query. So we are going to here now will write this search product using filter function. So we are going to add this filter function that contains all the filters that we are required. So here I'm going to add, sorry, not here, but we are going to add in search service. Product service. At last, we're going to add this one. that will get the desired results from the database and will return those results so that we can able to show in the search listing page that we have done earlier. Okay, so this is the function that we are going to add. So it's done. Now let's test it. Now I'm going to search once again. I'm going to the home page, refresh the page, and we'll see results will come or not. Now I'm going to search something like Samsung mobile under 80,000. Okay. So this keyword I'm going to search here and we'll enter. Let's see if it will search Samsung mobile. Yes, it search Samsung mobile. You can see the Samsung mobile under 80,000. Okay, so there is one mobile already exists. Its cost is 65,000, so it comes under 80,000. So the AI search is working fine. And if I will make it 50,000, Samsung mobile under 50,000, then it must not show any result. Let's see. Yes, it is not picking the result now. Even the phone is Samsung, but it is checking its filter. Okay, so it is checking its value that its value is 50,000 and it is also checking that it's under. So the AI search we are integrating here, AI search we are calling here, and we are checking that the amount must be under 50,000. Okay, so in the same way, like if I will add here mobile under 70,000. Then both the mobile must come iPhone and Samsung. Let's see. Only Samsung has come because maybe the iPhone price is more. I'm going to make it mobile under 80,000. Then both the phone must come. Let's see. Yes, both the phones have come up now. The iPhone cost is 75,000, so now it is coming as well. Both Samsung as well as the iPhone phone is coming. Okay, so if I will do something like iPhone mobile, uh, iPhone under 80,000. Let's see. Only the iPhone phone must come. Yes, only the iPhone is coming this time, and its cost is 75,000. That comes under 80,000. Okay, so we can also do something like iPhone above 30,000. Then the same result will come above 50,000, like this one. Yes, again, the same result has come 75,000 iPhone is coming. Okay, so you can integrate this AI search at your end as well, AI natural search, so that the it will search from the user statement, user wording. Okay, it will pick the user natural search. Okay, so please join as a member if you want to get the complete source code. You need to search for this Tech Developer YouTube channel. You can subscribe the channel for more updates and join the channel to get the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.